Hey guys, welcome to my channel BitHandler. In this video I am gonna show you how to hide any text in an image file. But before we move ahead, you should know what is steganography. Steganography is the practice of hiding a secret message inside of something that is not secret. That something can be just about anything you want. These days, many examples of steganography involve embedding a secret piece of text inside of a picture, or hiding a secret message or script inside of a Word or Excel document. Now I'll show you how to hide any message in an image. Open this link and the link will be in description. While surfing through description there will a like and subscribe button, make sure to hit them. Now download this tools. I've already downloaded and installed the software, but still I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tool. Follow these steps as showed in the video. Now I'll show you how to install this tool. There is nothing except next button. Install this tool as showed in video. Now open the tool. Select any image according to your choice. Now enter your text or any script you want to hide, then click on Hide Text. Then click on Save Image to save the image with text or script, then assign a name according to your choice. Now your work is completed. Now I'll show you how to extract text from an image. Open any image on whom you suspect that there may be something wrong in it, or you can be sent in the form of a message from an unknown number. Then the text will be showed automatically. If any text is not extracted, then click on Get Text. Thanks for staying in the video. If you like the video, then definitely like the video, share the video. If you have any problem, then tell in the comment section and hit the subscribe button so that it becomes gray in color.